I have just entered my home from the construction site and I see that Jared Gordon versus Mark Madsen is set to go down for UFC 295. Jared Gordon, 5'9", 68 inches of reach, got headbutted by Bobby Green, which was a no contest. Lost to Paddy Pimblett, but he won that fight. Lost to Grant Dawson. Defeated Leonardo Santos, Joe Solecki, Danny Chavez, Chris Fishgold. Extremely tough fighter. Mark Madsen, 5'8". He's riding a score of 12-1, a former Greco-Roman medalist. Lost to Grant Dawson via rear naked choke. Defeated Vince Pichel, Clay Guida, Austin Hubbard. I believe this is going to be a long war, and I'm pretty much looking forward to it. I'm going to go with over 2.5. I believe Madsen has improved his striking, but I still see Jared Gordon as a better striker. Also, if Madsen drags him to the ground, this might lead to a massive advantage for Mark, the Olympian Madsen, but I say that Gordon is very hard to finish. So over 2.5 gonna be my call. Side call, I'm slightly leaning Madsen, but could go either way.